Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. I am Miss Lockett, the founder and CEO of Teacher Fashion on Lockett, and tonight you guys are in for a special treat. But before I let you guys know what this video is about, I need you to do your girl a favor. I need you guys to click that subscribe button and also click that notification bell for more amazing videos. Alright, now that we got that out the way, let's get on to what this video is about. Alright guys, so I'm super duper excited about today's video. Y'all, we're going to be doing an unboxing. Yeah! Y'all know I love unboxing. Alright, so I don't want this video to be long. I'm just going to jump on it. So for 2022, I said that I wanted to get back to something that I used to do. And I have been telling some of my friends about it. And y'all, I finally done it. So, a little short story time. When I was in elementary school, I believe when I was like in 4th or 5th grade, I actually started my musical journey with playing my first instrument. And my first instrument was the viola, y'all. Yes, I played the viola. And I was really, really good at it. So I played from 4th grade actually to 8th grade. I played from 4th grade to 8th grade. But when I got to high school, I stopped, guys. So before the video cut me out, I was saying that I played the viola from 4th grade to 8th grade. But I stopped playing the viola because when I got to high school, I joined the band. So, you know, when you're in the band, you're very active, you're playing the games, you're just very, very busy. So I had to choose if I wanted to be in the band or orchestra. So I chose the band. Oh, let me backtrack. When I got to middle school, not only did I play the viola, but I also was in the band and I played the xylophones or the bells. So yes, that's why when I got to high school, I chose band and I continued to play the bells. I continued to play the xylophone. So, but anywho, let's get back to what this video is about. So y'all, your girl done went out and bought her a viola. I'm so excited, y'all. So guys, yes, this is what we will be unboxing, my new viola, and I am super duper excited, y'all. I have it right here. It's a big box. I'm going to show you guys. This is it. And I cannot wait for you guys to see it. So we're going to unbox this. So I still have my very first viola. It's actually home in Atlanta, and when I went home for Christmas, I went looking for my viola. Y'all, my viola was in the closet. I saw it, but I could not get to it. So what I'm going to do, and I'm happy that I still have that viola, and it's very dear to my heart because my mom bought that viola. Rest in heaven, Mom. So I still have my instrument, my original instrument. So what I'm going to do is I'm still going to get my viola from Atlanta, and I'm going to fix it up, and I'm going to have two, y'all. So we just going to go ahead and get to the excitement. We're going to unbox our new viola, and I cannot wait for you guys to see it. All right, y'all. I have my scissors. I have the box, and y'all, here we go. Let's unbox it. All right. Alright guys, here is my new instrument. Look at my viola is in here. It is in here. Let's see. Let's put this big old box on the floor. I probably could use that for something. Alright y'all, we get ready to open the viola. Look at the nice bag. Look at my case, y'all. Isn't it nice? Nice. Oh, I love it. It got back straps. Oh, I can wear it on my back when I need to carry it. Super dope. I love that. and a nice strong handle. Love it, love it, love it. We about to open this. All right, I'm looking for the zipper. Oh, this is nice. All right, I found it. I like how it's under this little wing. You can put the zippers under that little wing and fasten it up. So that's good that my instrument is secured inside of this. Love it, love it, love it. All right. Yes, we're in there. All right, y'all. So get ready for my viola, y'all. It is not a regular classic brown viola. Y'all know Miss Lockett have to be extra. So y'all, here is my new viola, and I'm excited about showing you guys. Oh my god. Oh, they got an extra secure strap. Y'all, look at my viola. I have a blue viola. Do y'all like it? Y'all know Miss Lockett gotta be different. Y'all know it gotta be lit. Yes, this is my new viola. I absolutely love it. It's super cute. So this is my viola. What I loved about it when I took it out of the case, let me be careful. When I took it out the case, I love that it had this cloth over it to protect it. So I really, really, really like that. Love it, love it, love it. So I'm going to make sure I keep up with this, and I always put this back over my viola because it's super cute first off, and I want to keep up with it. So I love this cloth. All right, then here's the viola. Let's lay that on my bed. Let's see what else came with the viola. Y'all, I have the bow. So here's my bow. My bow. Is it tightened? I pray it's tightened. It look like it. So here's my bow. And then I also inside of the case, it came with extra strings. So this is so awesome, which is crazy because I told you guys that I still have my viola home in Atlanta that I want to get fixed up. So it's good that I have these extra strings because I actually can put these strings on that viola back home, because I think like two of my strings are popped on my original viola. So I have extra strings, whether I use it for my old viola or if something happened to the strings on this viola, I have an extra set of strings. It came with instructions. I love this. How to clean your instrument. It tells you how to tune your instrument. And it also tells you how to just take care of your instrument. And then on the inside here, it has the resin. Y'all know y'all need this for your bow, so your instrument. It also, which is so awesome, in here it came with an extra bridge. So I'm super excited about that. This is the part that goes here that holds your strings. So an extra bridge. I'm happy to have this because I can't remember even on my original viola would I need another bridge. But it's always good to have it whenever I need it, either if it's for this instrument or my other instrument. I'm so happy that this instrument came well prepared with everything I need and more. And more. Now what I'm curious about, I'm curious to know if I can still play. My hands are literally like bouncing, trying to remember like my favorite song. I kind of been fingering it lately, but I can't. I'm going to see if I can remember a song. All right, this unboxing is not over. I have one more unboxing. All right, so Miss Lockett is well prepared. I am so ready. So I have one more little unboxing like I just told you guys. I'm not going to show off, but here's the box. So in the inside of this box, I have my practice book. I am so serious, y'all. I'm super excited. So I have, it's called Essentials Elements for Strings, and it's for viola, book 1. So for the viola. And then this is the last thing that I have to show. I have my tuner to tune my instrument. So yes, I'm so ready. One of my co-workers at my school, she actually played the cello. Her sister played the viola. And I'm actually going to take my instrument so that she can help me tune my instrument, so I can make sure that I'm playing on pitch. Shouts out to you, Miss Pino. Thank you. You're saving your girl life. You about to get me back on track with my instrument. But I'm super excited, y'all. She's going to tune my instrument. Her sister played the viola, like I just told you guys. And her sister might even give me some online lessons. Because yes, Miss Lockett is getting back to her happy, getting back to the things that she loves. And I used to love playing the viola. I used to love playing the viola. So I thank my original teacher who helped me. He actually was the start to my musical career. So I really do truly thank him for starting me out on this viola, believing in me, and seeing something great in me. So yeah, I'm super excited. But y'all, that is the unboxing. Yay! I hope that you guys enjoyed this video like Miss Lockett. I am kind of curious to see if I can play something. I'm kind of scared because you know when you're playing the viola or certain instruments, long nails is not the key. So I don't know how this is going to go, but I'm super excited. Oh my god, it just feels so natural. I feel like I can play something, y'all. When I tell y'all my nails are super too long for this. Yes, I'm gonna have to cut my nails down in order to play my viola again. I don't know if I can play something. Oh yeah, this is not gonna play. It's gonna need the rhythm. We'll do another video where I play and show you guys some things, because I actually need to put rhythm on here, and it feel like my bow needs to be a little tightened. So yeah. Alright guys, I'm about to play a song for y'all from an old song that I remember. Let me tell you now, my instrument is not tuned, so it might sound a little out of key. And also, I kind of forgot some of the fingerings, so it might not be correct. Yeah, this instrument was not tuned at all. Alright. It was not tuned at all, and I'm going to have to cut my long nails if I want to play the instrument. But hey, it is what it is. But I did take it to work today, and I got it tuned, and it sounds so much better. And I actually successfully played that song that I'm trying to play in the video. So yeah, I'm super excited. Y'all will hear more from me. But thank you guys for watching this video. I hope that you guys enjoyed it. Yeah, please like, comment, subscribe, and share. And Miss Lockett will see you guys in the next video. All right, bye. Be sure to hit the subscribe button and also follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok at Teacher Fashion on Lock_ETC.